Excuse me, can you point me in the right direction for the library? Sorry to bother you, but how do I get to the train station from here? Lost a bit. Could you tell me the way to the museum? Is there a shortcut to get to the park? Looking for a coffee shop. Any landmarks I should be looking for? Can you recommend the quickest way to get to the theater on foot? Do you know if there's public transport going to the airport? New in town. Can you help me find the hotel? Heading towards the bookstore. Am I on the right track? Could you give me some directions with landmarks, please, to get to the bakery? Sure, the library is direction. Let me know if you need more details. No problem, it's a straight short direction from here to the train station. There's a shortcut to get to the park. Take this street and turn left. You are going the right way to the bookstore. You'll see the landmark on your side soon. Let me pull up directions on a map for you to get to the bakery. It might be easier. No worries, the hotel is just around the corner on your side. You can't miss it. The theater is a big building on your side of the street. If you need any further help finding the coffee shop, feel free to ask. There might be traffic on that route to the airport. Let me check for any delays. Sounds like you're close to the library. Just keep going direction for a few more blocks. If you are looking for a scenic route to the train station, you can try going through park. No problem at all. Helping people find their way to the hotel is always a pleasure. Safe travels. I hope you get to the bookstore quickly and easily. Sure, direction. Let me know if you need more details. No problem. It's a straight short direction from here. Happy to help. You can take the bus or walk estimated _time minutes. There's a shortcut. Take street_name and turn direction on street_name. You are going the right way. You'll see the landmark soon. Let me pull up directions on a map for you. It might be easier. No worries. It's just around the corner on your side. You can't miss it. It's a big building on your side of the street. If you need any further help, feel free to ask. There might be traffic on that route. Let me check for any delays. Sounds like you're close. Just keep going direction for a few more blocks. If you are looking for a scenic route, you can try going through park. Let me know if you prefer walking directions or directions for driving. No problem at all. Helping people find their way is always a pleasure. Safe travels. I hope you get there quickly and easily. Turn right at the next corner. Take the elevator to the floor. Cross the street at the crosswalk. It's a short walk, just straight ahead. Look for the sign that says. You can take the stairs down to the lower level. It's on the opposite side of the street. Keep going straight until you see the turn. Take the exit 4. Let me know if you get lost and I can help you get back on track. It's a bit of a walk, but it's a nice area. You'll need to take public transport a few stops. There's a stop right here that goes there. Let me know when you're closer and I can give you more specific directions. Happy to help. Anything else I can assist you with? Turn left at the upcoming intersection. Continue straight for a few blocks. You'll find it on your left. It's a few minutes ahead on your right. Take the stairs up to the next level. Go through the tunnel and it'll be on your right. Make a U-turn and head back in the opposite direction. There's an escalator down to the lower level. Take the next available exit. You can take a break at that park bench ahead. It's a busy area, so be careful crossing the street. There might be construction on the road, so allow extra time. Look out for the pedestrian crossing signal. It's open late, so don't worry about rushing. Enjoy your visit. It's a popular spot. Let me know if you have any trouble finding it. Feel free to ask if you have any other questions. I'm happy to provide further guidance if needed. Safe travels. Have a wonderful time at your destination. Don't hesitate to reach out if you get lost along the way. You should be able to see it from here. It's just past the upcoming traffic light. Look for the building with the distinctive architecture. There's a cafe on the corner, so you can't miss it. It's located in a quiet area, set back from the main road. Double check the entrances, there might be multiple doors. It's worth checking the opening hours before you go. Let me know if you'd like to see some nearby restaurants. There are public restrooms available a short distance away.